friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make beautiful little Krishna with his friends. Little Krishna and his friends stealing butter, and it is very easy to make. So without any delay, let's start our video. Now join 5mm 22 strips and make a deeper comb and apply glue inside the dome like this. Let it dry for some time. Make again one tight coil. With the same procedure, apply glue and connect the two domes like this. Now here I am making next. Now join 7mm 4 strips and make a cone shape with the help of pencil. Now apply glue inside the cone. With the same procedure I have made another one also. Let it dry for some time. Now take a piece of paper and just make pleats like this as shown in the video and apply glue on the edge part like this. Here I am making dhoti for the Lord Little Krishna. And connect like this as shown in the video. Apply glue and connect like this and cut the excess part like this as shown in the video with the help of scissor. It will be the dhoti for Lord Little Krishna. With the same procedure I have made another also. Now two cones are ready. Now legs are ready. Apply glue and connect legs to the base dome of Lord Little Krishna. Now legs are ready. Let it dry for some time. Now join 5mm 2 strips for making neck. Now connect the neck. Now neck is also ready. Now here I made a belt for the Lord Little Krishna. Just cut in a cross shape like this. Now again join 3mm 2 strips and make a palm. Here I am making foot for Lord Little Krishna and make small cuts. It will be the fingers. Now connect these little fingers to the legs. It will be the foot for cute little Krishna. Make total 2. Now connect foot to the legs like this. Connect the second one also. Now legs are ready. Now I have attached small ball chains. Now I have made small dupatta for the Lord Little Krishna. Like this you have to attach it. Now join 5mm 1.5 strip and make a cone shape like this. Now again join 5mm 1.5 strip and make a deeper cone. Here I am making hands for the Lord Little Krishna. Make deeper dome cone. Now connect the two cones like this. Make total 2. Now connect the hands to the Lord Little Krishna and connect palm. For connecting palm join 3mm 1 strip. Make total 2 and hands are ready. Now again join 5mm gauge strips for making face for Lord Little Krishna and make a dome shape and apply glue inside the dome and connect the black color 3mm 8 strips. Now connect the ears. Now connect the nose like this. Now I have made facial expressions on the face like this. It is looking super cute. Now here I am making hair part. Hairstyle for the Lord Little Krishna. Take a 3mm paper, 5mm paper strip and just roll it and scroll it like this. Make in a roll shape like this and apply glue and connect one by one like this to make a more thicker hair and curly hair. Here I am making like this. Repeat one by one and take this hair and place it on the upper side of the head part of Lord Little Krishna and repeat same procedure and to the total head part of Lord Little Krishna. Now hairstyle is ready for the Lord Little Krishna. Now join 5mm 2 strips for making dome. It will be the koppu. Now here I am making peak for peacock peak. Join total 4 colors of 3mm and take a green color piece of paper and just fold it and make cuts. Here I am making peacock peak. Now scroll around this coil like this and open it. Now the peacock petal is ready. Now connect this peacock petal on the head part of the Lord Little Krishna. I have attached small ball chains for more decorating. Now head part is also ready. Now connect the face to the base body of the Lord Little Krishna like this. Let it dry for some time. Now Lord Little Krishna is also ready. It is looking super cute and very easy. Now take a yellow color piece of paper and make pleats as shown in the video. Like this, make pleats and just make one like this, make as shown in the video. Now take another piece of paper and make pleats for the talapaga. Now connect talapaga to give more look like this. Now it is ready. Now take a face for the making face. Repeat same procedure for how little Krishna is made. Now I have connected this talapaga on the face and base, body, hands are also same. Now another with the same procedure I have made another doll also. For base join 5 and 25 steps. Same procedure repeat for the another doll also for making. Now join 5 mm 25 steps and make a dome shape like this and apply glue inside the dome. With the same procedure I have made another one also. Now apply glue inside the domes and apply glue on the second one also. Apply neatly with the help of glue. Let it dry for some time. After drying, let it dry for some time. Now join 5 mm 4 strips and make a bigger dome shape like this. Make a cone shape. Here I am making legs for the little Krishna friend and apply glue inside the cones and spread it neatly with the help of brush. Let it dry for some time. Now take back the domes and connect the two domes. It has been well dried. Now connect the domes like this. Now connect the legs part. Now leg parts are ready. I have connected it and I have made belt. Just attach belt to the base body of little Krishna friend. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips for making neck. Connect neck. Now I have made base with the help of cardboard and I have attached green color paper. Now here I am making dupatta for the Lord Little Krishna friend. Just make a pleats like this and apply glue and connect like this and the base, connect this base body on the down position like this. Now again join 5 mm 1.5 strip and make a deeper cone. Make total 2 cones and join 3 mm 1 strip, 2 strips and make a cone shape like this. Now take back the cone and just cut as shown in the video. Here I am making hands for the doll. Now again join 3 mm 2 strips. Now connect like this. I have connected the hands like this in a down position. Now again join 1.5 strip and make a cone. Here I am making leg part. Apply glue inside the cone. Let it dry for some time. Now join 3 mm 2 strips and make in a triangle shape like this. Now take a 5 mm paper strip and make small cuts of 5. It will be the fingers for the foot like this. Now connect fingers like this. After drying, open it like this. Now legs are ready. Now connect the foot part to the leg like this. Connect these legs to the base body like this. Now the legs and hands are ready. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm 9 strips, 3 mm for black color and 5 mm for skin color and apply glue. Total join 5 mm 3 mm 9 strips and apply glue inside the domes. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the two domes and connect the nose. Just for making nose, just cut in a cross shape. Take a 5 mm paper strip and cut it. For making ears, I have joined 2 mm 1/50 strips for each ear. I have made facial expression on the face and I have attached same hairstyle for the doll also. This doll also. Now connect the doll to the base body. Now the one more friend is also ready. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm 25 strips and make a small domes and apply glue inside the domes like this. Now domes are ready. Now again join 5mm 22 strips and make a deeper dome. Here I am making another friend for Lord Little Krishna. Lord Little Krishna and his friends are stealing butter, and apply glue inside the dome. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the this dome to the another dome like this. I have connected joined two domes. Now again join 5mm 4 strips and make a here making legs and making a little bit cross shape, bended shape like this, and apply glue inside and back side. If you apply glue backside or else it may give more stiffness and more stiff. Now again join 5mm 2 strips for making neck. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the two cones to the base body like this. Now the legs are ready. Now palm is also ready. Now connect the foot to the legs like this. Now legs are ready. Now I have repeated same procedure for making face like this, and I have attached the talapaga on the head part. Now connect the face to the base body like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 5mm 2 strips and make a deeper cone and apply glue inside the cone. Now again join 5mm 2 strips and make a little bit small cone, small dome like this, and apply. Let it after drying, connect the two domes like this. With the same process, I have made another one also. Now apply glue and connect the hands to the base ID like this. Connect one by one. In the upper one should be in the upper position and one should be in the down position like this. Now I have joined 3mm 2 strips for making hands like this, palm. Now I have made small dupatta. Now connect dupatta on the head part like this. Now the little Krishna another friend is also ready. Now again join 5mm 22 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making pots, traditional pots. Now again join 5mm 12 strips and make a dome shape like this. Now apply glue inside the domes like this and spread it neatly with the help of brush or hands, and apply glue. Let it dry for some time. Now after drying, connect the two domes like this. Here I am making traditional pot. Here little Krishna and his friends stealing makkan. Krishnashtam special video. Now cover the middle part with the help of 10mm paper strip and again join 2mm 5mm 2 strips for making upper part of the pot like this. Now pots are ready. With the same procedure, I have made some more pots like this with the same procedure. Now I have painted with the chocolate color and I have added designs with the black color, white color paint like this. It is looking super cute. Now pots are also ready. Now apply glue on the edge part like this and join 3mm 8 strips of white color tight coil. It will be look like a real butter, and apply glue and spread it neatly so it will give a real look butter. Repeat same procedure for another pots also. Now pots are also ready. Now take a roll paper, take a paper roll and join 5mm 7mm 10 strips and roll it around the roll like this. Total join 10 strips of 7mm. Here I am making pillar. Now the pillar is ready. Now take another roll and join 3mm 2 strips of small tight coil and cover the roll on the edge part of the roll like this. Connect two. Now connect this roll on the upper part like this with the help of glue. Apply glue and connect it. Let it dry for some time. Now take a white color thread and apply glue and connect another thread also like this. Here I am placing pot. Now apply glue and connect the pot like this. After connecting, just fold it 4 edges like this and place it on the upper part of the pillar. Connect another part also like this. Pillar is ready. Now again join 3 mm 5 strips. It will, here I am making pot stand like this. Connect on the down part of the pot like this. Now the pillar and pots are ready. Now all the friends are ready. Little Krishna, cute little Krishna is also ready. Small pots are also ready. Now take a base part and connect one friend like this and connect the pot like this. One friend is eating makhan, butter. Now connect small pot like this in the middle part like this. Now connect this friend like this. Now connect the pillar like this. For sticking pillar, use Fevibond to give more thickness. Now connect a cute little Krishna on the upper part of his friend like this. Cute little Krishna and his friends stealing butter. Concept Krishnashtami special video. It is looking simply super cute and it is very easy to make at home. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.